says, burn the women, burn the kids, burn the men, just burn them all. Hail the queen, her soul is on fire and she scorches the earth when she speaks. We heard the screams of the burning flesh as the queen wore a finest dress. She says, burn the air, burn the ground, burn like hell, burn it down. She burned the skin, but did not solve the war within. And so she says, burn the winter, burn the spring, burn the mother, just burn them all. Hail the queen, her soul is on fire and she's scorchingly. When she's speaking, she's speaking her love. She's burning, speaking with us. She's lighting a fire, speaking to us. Burning, speaking with too much burning desire. She's got a tongue made of fire and it's burning when she speaks, and she screams and she breathes till there's fire on the sea. The world is engulfed by the fire of her speech, but the choir of the dead sings higher than her reach, singing.